Okay. Let me get some water. This is exciting. Oh, jeez. This thing came out swinging. Ah, funny bone. This is going horribly right now. Must subscribe to my channel to heal me. I don't know if I'm gonna make it. I haven't hit my funny bone since like 98. Like, honestly, when was the last time you hit your funny bone? Nobody does that anymore. What's up, guys? It's been like 3 months since I've been on this YouTube channel. Freaking dust everywhere. Holy shit. Oh my god, I miss this so bad. The thing about TikTok and vertical formats is it doesn't allow me to be like, hey, what's up? You know, nipples. TikTok, it's just like, hands, here's how to make a rug, here's resin. Like, there's no room for personality. I've seen this trend going around that I really want to try. It's basically you go on Twitch and you find streamers that have 0 viewers or like under 5 viewers. And then you donate money and you see them go, oh my god, thank you so much. Like, it's a really cute moment. It's always the gamers that are getting this. Well, I mean, it's like $1, so it's not a huge thing, but still, it's always the gamers that get chosen. Okay, so what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna go on twitch.com. I'm gonna find streamers with, oh my god, it's called twitch.tv, isn't it? Oh, I'm so old. What I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna go on twitch.tv and I'm gonna find streamers that have very little viewers, 0 to 5. Any more than that, they've got like a community of people that are like, cheese, oh my god. Like inside jokes and shit. We're talking micro, like 0 to 5 followers. But we're gonna find like DIYers. People that are making something, because that's what I do for a living. I make things for a living on TikTok, on YouTube, and it's not so much like the support of like the money that would help, but like it will, but we're not donating huge dollars today. Yeah, I may look like Mr. Beast, but I don't have the bank of Mr. Beast. Let's go ahead and try and see what we get. Okay, so here we are on twitch.tv, creative. We're gonna click that. Makers and crafting, 2,000 viewers for the entire category. Guys, it's not getting enough love. So we're gonna go in here. Like this guy right here, his back's to the camera. He's fixing a sagging subfloor. Need that myself. That's like an old person joke. Sagging ball. Anyways, she's crocheting with me. Cat ear bucket hats. Okay, so she's on her phone. I'm not seeing any DIYs happening here. Let's get a crochet happening here so I can donate. Oh my god. That time, can she hear me? All right, let's pop in here and just say hi. Hi.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be making...
Oh, that's good. That's good. I feel like she's making fun of me directly. What are you making?
I'm making a hat for my mom.
That's so cute. Okay, let's donate. Let's try. God, I don't even know how to donate. How do you donate on this thing?
Are you interested in crocheting?
Oh, she's asking me a question. Shoot. This is the problem. When you're the only person in the chat, you have to like make sure you respond. But it looks awesome.
Thanks.
This is weird for her as it is for me. Like she sees she has 1 viewer that's just not talking, and that's me.
Oh, I have to grab something.
Yeah, I know, it's getting weird. I know. I've done that where like, I gotta go, it's my fault. I'm trying to donate to you. Oh man, do I just ask her? Maybe I'll just ask her just to get this out over the way. And then I'm gonna donate $1. This is so bad. Do you take donations on here? Like bits?
Like bits?
She's got no idea either.
Huh? Yeah, like a little bit smaller.
No, oh my gosh, you think I'm talking about the size?
Do you take donations on here? Oh, sure, if you want to. I don't know why you donate to me though. I'm just like crocheting.
Oh, she's so nice.
How do you donate bits? I have no idea. Sorry.
I'll say goodbye. Babs Cardboard Armors. Oh, he makes armor out of cardboard. Hey, what are you making?
Oh, he makes armor out of cardboard.
Oh, is he French? Oh shoot, this guy's French. And he's not looking at the camera. Quick, get out before he looks. Go, 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 go. Okay, this one. She's crafting Chatty English. She's using silhouette for coasters. I literally just made coasters last week. Hi.
Hi. How are you? I am making coasters. Thank you for getting on and saying something to me. I'm making coasters.
Oh, she's so cute. Where can I buy them?
Okay, I have a Facebook group called barelacrafters.
Oh, these are so cute.
If you have an idea, as long as it's appropriate.
I love her so much. I could donate money to her, but she genuinely seems like the type that would rather take the money and make something. Okay, let's buy this black poison heart.
I'm going to buy you black. Oh my gosh! Thank you! I love that black poison heart more than I can tell you. Oh, I hope I didn't lose you. My internet is being stupid.
Is she crying? Is she crying? I'm still here. What? Don't cry. I didn't leave. Oh no, she thinks I left.
Come on, internet.
That's what I'm saying. Oh, she's so sad. I'm still here. What's going on with your internet? Fix it. Oh wow. I've never seen somebody so visually like sad. Look how sad she is. I love her so much. Barella's back online. Barella's back online. Let's go, girl. Hi. You're back.
Okay, you found me again. Thank you. I'm having so many issues, it's not even funny.
Can I still buy your black poison heart?
Can I still buy your black poison heart? Absolutely. Yes, ma'am, you can.
Ma'am?
It is
Ma'am?
about a handful size.
Can I buy 4?
Absolutely! If you would like 4, absolutely. If you want them custom, any color you want, absolutely you can.
We're buying 4, guys. Like I said, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna keep 1 for myself, and then I'm gonna do a giveaway for 3, just to support her.
Any colors. I have every color, and I mean every color imaginable.
I want a teal with white. She's got her notepad. She's taking my order. Oh, she's so cute. Okay, can I get the following colors?
I have a piece of paper.
Black and white, teal and white, pink and black, and yellow and black.
Yes, okay. You have seriously really made my day. I needed this way more than you know.
That's so cute.
Would you like it a lighter pink or a darker pink?
Lighter pink, please.
Light pink, okay. Light pink. I'm so excited. You have no idea how excited I am.
She's so sweet.
Yes. Okay. Oh, you have made my day. Seriously. Yay!
Ordered. Our order has been accepted.
You being so excited is making me even more excited, and ordered. It ordered it. Yes.
Oh, these are gonna be so cool.
Over the moon. Over the moon.
Over the moon.
Thank you.
That's cool.
I'm trying not to cry. That's how much this means to me right now. Thank you. I'm so excited it's not even funny right now.
Yes! Yes! We did it. That was the goal.
Thank you. If you can find me on one of the platforms and just share barella.crafts, I'm trying to keep it about the same, but if you can follow me or just share, I'm kind of just starting this whole little journey but I want to get my name out. I want to be able to do this for a living. I enjoy it, so I want to be able to do it. Thank you for taking the time out of your day. Thank you for sticking with me. You are amazing, and I cannot wait for you to get these. Now, if I can figure out my coasters.
She goes right back to coasters.
Ronnie, I got an order. Well, big order.
Big order.
So poison hearts.
Oh, nice.
Four.
Jeez.
So, yeah, I've got work to do.
And there you guys have it. It doesn't take that much to make somebody's day or to make somebody feel good. I spent $60 and I'm getting 4 pieces of handmade art. There are so many talented people out there and they just don't get the exposure. For sure worth every penny of the $60 that I spent, and I get these hearts that is clearly gonna be made with so much love. Here's what we're gonna do for the hearts giveaway. In order to enter, I want you guys to follow barella.crafts. You don't have to follow me, and just comment something nice about her art. Make it a genuine comment. And I'll be hanging out in there picking some winners. If you don't win, you can support her as well. You can support all the creators that I showed in this video. And I highly recommend you guys try this as well. There's a ton of great people on Twitch probably right now with no viewers. And you don't even need to spend money. Even if you just spend your time and comment and chat with them, sometimes that's enough for people to feel special, that someone's listening or that they care. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. See you guys later. bye.